Hey there, Linux fans, let's talk web browsers. Your browser is your window to the internet, so you need one that's fast, secure, and respects your privacy. But with so many choices out there, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. Don't worry, we're here to help. In this showdown, we're diving deep into 4 popular web browsers: Firefox, Brave, Google Chrome, and Chromium. We'll compare their speed, security features, and privacy protections to help you make the best choice for your Linux setup. Whether you're a privacy buff, a speed demon, or just want a browser that gets the job done, we've got you covered. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's find the perfect web browser for your Linux rig. We'll break down the pros and cons of each contender so you can browse with confidence. First up, we have Firefox, a longtime favorite in the open source community. Developed by the Mozilla Foundation, Firefox has a strong reputation for privacy and security. It offers robust tracking protection, blocking third-party cookies and trackers that try to follow you around the web. Firefox is also no slouch when it comes to speed. It's been working hard to improve performance, and recent updates have made it a snappy performer, even on resource-intensive websites. Plus, Firefox offers a ton of customization options, with a wide range of extensions and themes available to personalize your browsing experience. However, Firefox does have a few drawbacks. Its memory usage can be a bit high, especially if you have a lot of tabs open. This can slow down your system, particularly if you're running older hardware. Overall, Firefox is a solid choice for Linux users who prioritize privacy and customization, but it might not be the absolute fastest browser out there. Next, let's take a look at Brave, a relative newcomer that's quickly gaining popularity. Brave is built with privacy at its core, featuring a built-in ad blocker and tracker blocker that stops websites from collecting your data. It even offers a unique feature called Brave Rewards, which allows you to earn cryptocurrency by viewing privacy-respecting ads. But Brave isn't just about privacy, it's also incredibly fast. Built on the same Chromium engine as Chrome, Brave loads websites quickly and efficiently. Its minimalist design and focus on performance make it a joy to use, especially if you're tired of resource-hungry browsers. However, Brave's aggressive ad blocking can sometimes break websites, requiring you to disable it for certain pages. And while Brave Rewards is an interesting concept, the earnings are currently quite small. Despite these minor drawbacks, Brave is an excellent option for privacy-conscious Linux users who want a fast and efficient browsing experience. Section 4. Google Chrome, the popular choice. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, Google Chrome. It's the most popular web browser in the world, and for good reason. Chrome is known for its blazing fast speed, thanks to Google's powerful Blink rendering engine. It also boasts a clean and user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate. Chrome offers seamless integration with other Google services such as Gmail, Drive, and Calendar. This can be a major plus for users who rely heavily on Google's ecosystem. However, this tight integration comes at a price: your privacy. Chrome collects a vast amount of data about your browsing habits, which Google uses for targeted advertising and other purposes. While you can adjust some privacy settings, it's difficult to completely disable data collection. If you're concerned about privacy, Chrome might not be the best choice for you. Section 5. Chromium Open Source Powerhouse. Finally, we have Chromium, the open source project that forms the foundation of Google Chrome. Chromium shares many of Chrome's strengths, including its speed and minimalist design. However, it differs from Chrome in a few key ways. First, Chromium is completely open source, meaning anyone can inspect its code, modify it, and distribute their own versions. This makes it a popular choice for developers and privacy enthusiasts who want more control over their browser. Second, Chromium doesn't include some of the proprietary features found in Chrome, such as automatic updates and support for certain media codecs. This means you'll need to manually update Chromium and install additional codecs to play certain types of media. While this might be a deal breaker for some, it also gives you more control over what software